You're just in time to see the most beautiful car transformation ever. This time, you're going to see how all that mud got washed out of the car using more than one product. All that mud really needs a good amount of water to make the process easier. Pressure washing makes the whole thing easier and just as easy for the next step to be used. I bet you have no idea what the color of this car actually is. All that mud built up in there definitely needs some extra touch in such cases. Keeping the shampoo all nice and ready for the application is the one step you don't want to miss. Removing every piece in there is the kind of step that makes it super easy for a nice and detailed cleaning. A hard brush like this one makes the whole cleaning process easier, and we're loving the results already. Removing every bit of dirt in there is what makes it more special and looking cleaner than ever. The chairs really needed a little bit of extra touch, and this is just the first step to everything. Showering the whole thing with extra fabric shampoo is the key to making the nicest cleaning. Doing a good amount of scrubbing here makes the rest of the steps easier and easier. The pressure washing machine makes the removal of the extra shampoo the easiest step ever. Time to keep everything just perfectly clean and as amazing as we want the outcome to be. Focusing onto the outside part of the car now, and this time we're applying a little bit more than just shampoo. Covering everything with it and making it seem like it's actually all nice and white. But this is not all, you guys. A simple brush like this one is what makes this whole masterpiece turn out just how we like it. Now it's time to put everything in its right place and make it look like it's actually a car again, looking like a brand new red car. The removal of all this shampoo is the easiest thing ever until you've tried it yourself.